Hello dear friends, welcome to Economics Learners Lab. Hope everybody is doing absolutely fine. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 questions of Internet Economics, June 2018, questions and the solution. Let us see the first question. Question number 51. Which one of the following is true for demand side vicious circles of poverty? Choice number 1, low income, low demand, low investment, capital deficiency, low productivity, low income. Choice number 2, low productivity, low income, low savings, low investment, capital deficiency. Choice number 3, low income, low investment, low demand, low capital deficiency. Choice number 4, low demand, low saving, low productivity, low investment, capital deficiency. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 1. That is, when there is a low income, there will be low demand. When there is a low demand, there will be low investment. When there is a low investment, there will be a capital deficiency. When there is a capital deficiency, there you will see a low productivity. Low productivity leads to low income. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 1. Question number 52. Which one of the following is a cause of disequilibrium between warranted rate of growth and actual rate of growth in the Harrod model? Choice number 1, discrepancy between ex-ante investment and ex-post investment. Choice number 2, discrepancy between ex-ante investment and ex-ante savings. Choice number 3, discrepancy between ex-ante savings and ex-post savings. Choice number 4, discrepancy between ex-post investment and ex-post savings. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 1. When there is a discrepancy between ex-ante investment and ex-post investment, there you can see a disequilibrium between the warranted rate of growth and actual rate of growth in Harrod model. Question number 53. Which one of the following committees recommended to establish the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, in India? Choice number 1, Narasimhan Committee. Choice number 2, Chakravarti Committee. Choice number 3, Abhijit Sen Committee. Choice number 4, Shivaraman Committee. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 4. So that is, Shivaraman Committee is recommended to establish NABARD in India. Question number 54. Which of the following options is true for National Action Plan for Climate Change? Choice number 1, it was launched in 2008. Choice number 2, it has 8 vertical missions for pollution control. Choice number 3, both 1 and 2 are true. Choice number 4, neither 1 or not 2 is true. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 3. Both 1 and 2 are correct for this question. Question number 55. Which one of the following schemes is not included in the Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana? Choice number 1, National Mission for Protein Supplements. Choice number 2, Saffron Mission. Choice number 3, Accelerator Fooder Development Program. Choice number 4, all of the above. Actually, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana includes these all schemes, that is National Mission for Protein Supplements, Saffron Mission, Accelerator Fooder Development Program. But in this question framing, they have put the mark that is not. So actually this question is wrong. So this Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana includes all the choices in this question. Question number 56. Which of the following is portrayed in the population pyramid of a country? Choice number 1, rural urban distribution of population. Choice number 2, young old distribution of population. Choice number 3, age and sex distribution of population. Choice number 4, gender distribution of population. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 3. So population pyramid, it talks about age and sex distribution of population. Question number 57. In the long period, which one of the following curves would aptly represent the time path of population for a developing economy? Choice number 1, exponential curve. Choice number 2, logistic curve. Choice number 3, Lorentz curve. Choice number 4, hyperbolic curve. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 2, that is logistic curve. So log representation represents a long period time path. Question number 58. Identify the correct statement about the relationship between the total fertility rate and gross reproduction rate. Choice number 1, TFR is less than GRR. Choice number 2, TFR is equal to GRR. Choice number 3, TFR is greater than GRR? Choice number 4, all of the above. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 3, that is TFR is greater than GRR. Question number 59, which of the following is often referred to as the Adonic price method for valuing environmental assets? Choice number 1, using linkages between variations, in-house prices and geographical proximity to environmental assets. Choice number 2, using existence value to estimate the value of an environmental asset. Choice number 3, using travel costs to estimate the value of environmental assets. Choice number 4, using willingness to pay to value an environmental assets. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 1. In Adonic price, they will calculate the all around environmental assets value also. Then they will include these environmental assets value into the price. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 1. Question number 60. Which of the following is not a scheme for upliftment of women in India? Choice number 1, Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Choice number 2, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana. Choice number 3, gender budgeting. Choice number 4, Ujala scheme. So here Ujala scheme is not related to the gender upliftment, that is women upliftment in India. So Ujala scheme is unrelated to the women upliftment schemes. So here the right answer for this question is choice number 4. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel because your subscription is my inspiration. Thank you and see you in another video.